Everyone. My name is Dana, and I will be talking about how the HR department is responsible for providing well-trained and motivated employees. The HR department at most companies has many different roles, functions, and objectives. One of the objectives they have that I'm going to brief on today is the task of providing well-trained and motivated employees. This is an important part of what they do because this will maximize on the company's goals. Employees that are well trained have the best abilities to complete these tasks as the job needs them done. The flow of the work will be much smoother due to the amount of knowledge and skills that the employees possess. My company has many different departments, and each department has its needs in terms of training. They all require quite a bit of training, but for the most part, it ranges from 6 to 8 weeks with each one. Once an employee has completed the needed amount of time for the training, they will be required to practice the task and demonstrate that they have succeeded in the training program. They will then be moved out of the training environment and will handle real work. For a short period of time, they will be monitored while they are out on the floor to ensure that they are completing things as needed. It's also important to make sure the employees are and stay motivated. If some employees are motivated and some aren't, it is completely possible to instill some motivation in them. Most people and most jobs require motivation every now and then. Without the motivation and the want to perform at their best, the employees will therefore not perform at their best. This will hinder the company's success. A few ways that the companies can ensure they keep their employees motivated is to acknowledge their achievements and progression every now and then. It's important to let them know that they are on the right path and that they are appreciated for all that they do. It's also okay to reward occasionally. It doesn't take much for an employee to understand that they appreciate all that they do. Another attempt they can do at motivating the employees is to always put a positive spin on things and always provide constructive criticism when speaking about an issue or something that needs to be improved. It's better to speak in a coaching manner rather than anything else. This will ensure the employee understands each person's place and remains of the mindset that they are appreciated and they do not feel demeaned in any way. In conclusion, there are many roles of the HR department and they are all equally significant. There are many different ways to keep the employees motivated and to ensure that they are fully trained on everything at all times. Confirming this will be the best way to maximize on the company's goals and keep the flow of the work as smooth as possible. My company handles their trainings very well. They allow enough time in the beginning for everyone to understand the company and then get the hang of the actual job. And the practice period they provide is absolutely necessary. They do their best in trying to keep employees motivated. They have several different props and bonuses that can be earned and used in different ways. But above all of that, I think it is most important to ensure that the employees are aware that everyone is equal and deserves the same amount of appreciation. The employees handle the bulk of the everyday work, and reminding them once in a while that they are appreciated is key. While the HR department may not directly have interaction with the employees regarding these, they are the head of the group. Well, that's all I have today, guys. Thanks for watching.